So after a car accident, one of the most important documents in your entire case is going to be that police report. What most people don't realize is how to get it, or why it matters so much. So let's break it down and talk about it. The police respond to your accident. The officer is going to create a crash report or an accident report. And this report includes information on what they saw, what the drivers and witnesses said, whether they issued any citations, and their initial opinion on what happened in the accident. And that last part, that's where things get super important because insurance companies are going to rely heavily on that report, especially when it comes down to deciding who's at fault for the accident. Now, what you need to know is you're not going to get the report immediately. It usually takes somewhere between 2 and 10 days to become available. So at the scene, always ask the police officer for the accident report number. That way you'll be able to get it later on pretty easily. Now, once it's ready, you can request it online through the DMV or call directly to the local police department. Now, let's take a moment and talk about what's inside the report of what it actually says, because this impacts your case directly. One section is contributing factors. It talks about everything that contributed to the accident. Was one of the parties speeding? Did they fail to yield? Was there distraction? Any kind of thing that they think led to the accident itself, there should be a number in there that references what it was. It's also going to list the drivers and witnesses. Then it's going to have a diagram generally. It's going to note whether there were injuries at the scene. And all of this is evidence and starts to tell the story about what happened during the accident. But police reports can have mistakes, wrong details, missing information, or worse, a description that suggests you were partially at fault. And remember, in states like North Carolina, this can be a big problem because we have contributory negligence. Even a small amount of fault can destroy your entire case. So if you review your accident report and something looks wrong, you need to act quickly. It's pretty easy to fix things like names and addresses or insurance companies, but more serious issues like how the accident occurred, it's described, whether there are contributing factors, these can be harder to fix, take more time, and sometimes take a lawyer to help you. It also is going to matter on how long that sits, right? Because the longer it takes to fix, the harder it is. Because evidence, it's going to disappear. Witnesses forget, footage gets deleted, insurance companies just double down on their position. And listen, the police report is important, but it's not the final word. It's just one part of the puzzle. Your case is going to be built on all parts of the available evidence, not just one report. But let's get that and review it carefully, take action if something's wrong or doesn't look right. The sooner you can do that, the better, because what's written there can shape your entire case. If you've got more questions or you're in pain, call Shane, 980-999-9999.
In pain, so I call Shane, 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.